Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine. Please open your English books. Today we are going to read our poem Leisure, and leisure means freedom from the demands of work or duty. This poem is written by W.H. Davis, and he wanted to put an emphasis on life which is full of care. That means full of anxiety and full of worries, due to which we don't even get enough time to spend some time on the lap of nature and could appreciate its excellent beauty. Students, in this world of rat race, we have no time to stand silently, according to poet. Let's start reading. Put your pencils from where I have started reading now. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. Full of care, as I told you, that life full of anxiety and worries. It means full of care, also devoting all the one's time and energy to which one perceives as necessary, as duty, and can't enjoy the beauty of life. And we have no time to stand and stare. It means that we have no time to take a pause from the work to enjoy beauty. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. Stare, underline the word stare. It means to look steadily, to look directly for a long time. Underline word bough. It means a branch. He said that according to poet, the cows and sheep are more luckier than us. Why? Because they can stand beneath the greenery. They can enjoy the greenery and beauty of nature. Hence, we don't have enough time to do that. For soothing our nerves, for soothing our eyes, we cannot get such pleasant time for ourselves to enjoy the beauty of nature. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Poet said that if we are, suppose, even though we are passing through the woods, even then we are not looking over the beauty of nature that is scattered around us. We are not paying attention over that. Why? Because we are busy in our gadgets. We are busy in playing games, indoor games. We have so much occupied ourselves in our indoor activities, and we have lost the joys, the beauties of nature that can soothe our nerves. No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. Students, the lifestyle we are having, poet is pointing out that lifestyle, that we are so much occupied in our busy schedules of our lives that we cannot get enough time to go outside to see the daylight. We are busy, rather we are late. We used to sleep late, so that is why we are not able to get up early to watch the broad daylight and to enjoy the streams full of stars at night. We are out of all these things. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet, how they can dance. Students, do you think beauty can dance? And what does he means from beauties? Students, beauties of nature's dances as trees swaying, birds flying, and waves in ponds and bees dances. These all beauties which are scattered around us, they have feet and they can dance. This is poet has used the simile that it can dance. He just imagining it because he is enjoying it at its as per its best. Whereas we have never got such taste that we can say that beauty can enjoy, beauty can have her feet. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes begin. Here again he is talking about the beauty of nature. He is mentioning, denoting that beauty can have her mouth and her eyes and her smile. Did you ever notice that beauty has all these things? Can you imagine? Only those people can imagine all these things who used to get up early in the morning, or who used to get sleep early at night, or watch the starry night, or sunsets and sundowns, sunrises. If we have enjoyed all these things, only then we can say that beauty has her feet, has her smile, has her eyes. The last lines, a poor life this is, if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. W.H. Davis called the life of the humans to be poor. He concludes that the life of humans are poor as they have no time to observe the beauty of nature around them. Right? So, what we get to know after reading this poem? Poet is saying that we have no time to look at the nature of beauty of nature or to enjoy it. We should get some time to appreciate nature, like mountains, like trees, animals, rivers. No matter how busy we are, we could manage to get time enough. Okay, students, this is all about the poem Leisure. And I will give you a task to think for a while that did you manage to give yourself the leisure time? How do you spend your leisure time? Did you ever enjoy the beauty at its best, as poet is mentioning in the poem? Did you ever enjoy to stand and stare the sky in the morning, early in the morning or at night? Or did you observe the starry night? Did you ever observe when the sun shines? Just think for a while. And this is all about the poem. Inshallah, with the summary of this poem, we will meet in our next session. Till then, stay blessed.